Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 36. We are currently continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we are following Stockton Street from Broadway down towards Washington Street. Crossing Broadway, you feel a distinct change in the atmosphere. North Beach gradually gives way to the denser, busier part of the city. The sidewalks are more crowded and the storefronts begin to reflect the influence of Chinatown, with produce stands, grocers, and shops spilling their goods out towards the street. Even though we'll save a full exploration of Chinatown for later, it's impossible not to notice how the energy shifts here. Stockton is one of the main arteries that carries the life of the city through its neighborhood. This stretch, in particular, is a working corridor. People shopping for fresh fruit and vegetables, vendors calling out prices, and the sound of delivery carts rattling across the pavement. It's not polished or quiet, but it has a raw authenticity that makes it one of the most vibrant streets to walk. Looking around, you'll see stacked apartments above the shops, fire escapes zigzagging down their facades, and laundry hanging from balconies. Everyday details that give this part of San Francisco its unmistakable character. The slope of the street also gives you a changing perspectives as you move south. Looking uphill, you can trace the steps back towards North Beach, while ahead the city narrows into Chinatown's heart. By the time you reach Washington Street, you'll stand at a true gateway point. Stockton has guided you through a transition from one of the cultural districts to another. And although we'll pause here today, it sets the stage for what's to come in the next episodes, as we dive deeper into San Francisco's Chinatown.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.